What's up guys? Everybody has an Instagram account nowadays. Everybody is posting so much content via post or a story. But the problem is lockdown. Yes, due to coronavirus we can't go outside, so we have to stay inside. So the main problem fashion blogger is facing is they can't take a good quality picture outside. So if you are one of them, then this video is for you guys. So there is nothing you can do inside home that you are doing outside. Let's keep this in mind and let's start the video. The man like out there like me who loves to take a lots of photograph. So in this video I am going to tell you how to take a photograph of yourself without taking help of any second person or any good photographer. So there are 6 poses that is really good and classy at the same time that you can shoot inside your home. So you need only 2 things. First is DSLR. Yes, if you don't have DSLR then you can use a good quality camera phone also. And second is tripod. And if you don't have tripod then you can use something like this to place your phone. And also for this you don't need any really fancy background. So now let's jump into the pose videos. Get your timer ready for the 10 seconds so you get enough time to set yourself in front of the camera. And let's check out this pose. Don't get bored at the home. Do something that makes you happy or do something that you want to do in your free times. So you can utilize your free time as well. Okay, so I attached the poses link in the description. You can download from there also for your reference. Stay home and stay safe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so far. And please let me know which pose do you like the most in the comment section. You can also share this video with your friends also. Okay, see you in the next video. Stay stylish until next time.